we take a look at those leadership attributes, and they're the core attributes, and they become the foundation from which we operate. From those core values or those core attributes come your belief system. When you say, I believe in something, it's attached to a core value. Core values occur because each and every day you receive values from your experiences. You have created some interaction with something, and so that experience creates a personal value for you. And when enough of those values align, you then go, oh, that's what that is. That's honesty. I have that value, or I have a value of teamwork, or whatever those values are for you, they occur and they establish. And to be able to look at the attributes that will help form some way for you to describe those core values is a good thing. Because now your belief system comes from the core values, and the next thing that happens is your attitudes. How those attitudes show up is they show up based on the belief system and the core values. So, how many of you have ever wanted to change somebody's attitude? Okay, great. Lots of hands, that's right. You want to change an attitude. And you probably would answer the question if I said, how would you change an attitude? You'd say, well, first I would talk to them, or maybe I'd find out, or I'd try to influence, I'd try to be something. You know, my dad would have smacked you upside the head and said, get that attitude out. Okay? That's what happened. So how you actually can change an attitude is you focus on the core value. If you have ever wanted to change your attitude about something, you focus on the core value. So all that brain power that you're using, it's reestablishing your baseline of your value system so that your core value. If you want that attitude to stick, it has to stick because the core value is sourcing it. There's no other way for it to occur. And then when all of those particular things show up, they manifest themselves into what we call behaviors. And those are the behaviors that we have. So your empowerment behaviors are all going to come from your core value system. And if you are going to, in fact, be a power of one, then your opportunity will be, now I know how to get there. I know how I can be there in a way in which I can be impactful.